What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And before we get started with anything, all you people out there, if you are new to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel, man. So consider subscribing, man. If you watch the video, man, I guarantee you I will not let you down. Make sure you like the video and hit the bell notification, and make sure you hit all. That way you get notified whenever I put out a new video. And now that we have that out of the way, welcome to another install video with your boy Mo's to the Joe. So now I'm excited about this one, y'all. I'm excited. Let me tell you why I'm excited, because I'm very curious as to how this is going to look on the car. You know, I talked about this in the last video about me spending some money on some lighting, and man, this is it right here, bro. I had to do it, man. It's the first time I ever spent so much money on something like some lights, but hey. So I'm gonna flip this box around. Y'all gonna know exactly what we looking at here, man. Boom. The JDM style tail lights, man. I already opened it, man. I couldn't wait, dude. I had to try and check them out, make sure everything is good on the up and up with them. So let's see what we got here. Let's open this up. Take this out. Put it over here to the side. And oh, well, no, hold on. There we go. Pull that out of there. And here we go. Oh man, these things look good, man. Peel this off and ooh, saucy. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this on here until we actually put them on the car. So here we are in the trunk. So what we got to do here first is we're gonna have to remove the clips on right here, here, and here. At that point, we just pull this guy straight up and out. Get that out of the way. And then the next thing we have to do, you got to pull off this clip right here. That's what you see here. Got to get on this outer area first. Pull that out just like that. Slides out like that there. You guys can see right here. Slides out just like that. And then just pull it out. And it looked like it left a little piece behind. And god dog it, I done lost another one. Alright, so for the purposes of this video, you don't have to do all of that stuff, but for this, I took this pop clip off. I took off this pop clip right here, and there's one right up here too that I took off. So now, let's go ahead and peel this thing all the way back here. All right, so right here, only thing we have to do is you have to slide, work this. Well, let's unplug it first. So let's unclip this connector from there. There, that wasn't on here. So once you unplug the connector and take that this little part right here off of there, at this point you just got three nuts to take off here. And all right, so it's going to be at 8mm. So once you take off those 3 bolts, all we got to do now is push this thing out of here. And there we go. We're all out. So if we look here, there's this little groove right here where where it goes into this little part right here on the car. So you want to slide this thing straight in, straight like forward towards the car, for that to go into that slot, and then fish these wires through. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, And at this point, we just screw our nuts back in. Now, once you got this in, now understand that whenever you're putting this in there, because of the little cushion, the little foam that's around the edges right here when you push it in, it's gonna seem like it doesn't, on the outside, it's gonna seem like it doesn't really fit in there too flush. And you're gonna think it's wrong, but once you start tightening these down and push up against it, it's gonna actually pull itself into place, and it'll have a good gapping. Because at first I thought it was a problem with it, but it's not. So get those on there as tight as you can get them. At that point, then all you got to do is plug your little wire back into there, and then it's plug and play. So just connect your wire in just like that. So now the next thing there is if you want to have a normal blinker, or if you want to have the sequential blinker. So of course I want sequential, so that means we need to unplug this guy right here. So the black cable, you disconnect that, and we should have sequential blinkers. So looks like we got a problem with some hyper blinking going on here. So what I'm thinking is that my issue may be the fact that I have a sequential turn signal in the front. So that may be the reason why I'm getting hyper blinking. So I'm gonna have to do some research and figure out how I can bypass that and stop that from happening. Hell, I might call SubieSpeed up and see what they say. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with the install, and then we'll go from there. But I'm gonna go ahead and knock out and put this other side in, and then yeah, let's see what it look like.
Can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. Dim guy, don't got nothing on you. Don't got nothing on you. My heart is ready for something I have been had in a long time. True love crime. I hope you know that it may hurt for a while. Let's slow down, slow down. I can see behind that broken smile. Nice, sweet, smooth, like CoCo Bread, CoCo Bread. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like CoCo Bread, CoCo Bread.
Well, now at this point, I'm putting everything back. Just know when you're putting this in, you want to clip this underneath this little rubber piece right here. So it goes underneath there and press down on it, and you should be good. And at that point, you want to run your fingers right through here like that there to get this to go on top of this part. You see how that's not there? You gotta pull it here, and then what helps is if you push it down, and you should be able to get that right on top of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. Then I'm gonna pull the car out, and we'll see what it look like. So here we go, y'all. This is what we looking like. Turn some lights on. That's just with the parking lights on. That's the turn signal. That's how she looks. So I have to say, man, I mean, the main reason why, oh my God. Oh, yeah, the main reason why I bought these lights is because I didn't like all that red on the back here, and because I'm trying to go with a more stealthier look. The fact that it's smoke tinted, and I just like the way the lights look. Whether I don't have sequential or not, it's fine. Like I say, I'm gonna touch base with SubieSpeed and see if there's a workaround for me to get the sequential part of it to work. I mean, I'd like to have it, but for the most part, the lights work perfectly. It could be something going on with what I got going on, like I said, maybe. I'm not sure, but I'll find out. I'll dig into it, and whenever I have an update on that, I'll let y'all guys know. But, hey, appreciate y'all checking me out for this video, man. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Your boy will hit you up on the next video. Peace.